Now it's time to become a musician, or indeed a singer. But how? No cow in your home, it's fine. I'm going to reveal 2 AI tools, which will make you a musician, or maybe singer. Anyways, you need to give a simple text prompt, or give lyrics if you have, and the rest is of AI. The background song you are listening is also generated one. Let me increase the volume of it a little bit. Wow, maybe good, maybe bad. But now it's time to show you. The first musician AI tool is Muber. Go on your favorite search engine and search for muber.com. I think the first website, let's check. Yeah, there it is. This is the main interface. Click on Generate a Track Now. Scroll down, you'll see some pre-built songs. Let's play some of them. Sounds good. Let's create our own. First, you have to describe your song, or instead you can choose these 3 options also to create one. Next, select type. Set duration from here, and hit Generate Track. There we go. Your song is ready. Let's play it. Not bad. This is the download button. Don't forget Ha. Coming next to the second tool, search for Suno AI. Click the first site. There it is. Click on Make a Song. The main interface of Suno AI. You'll be seeing these pre-built songs. It's generated by this. Check them out at once. Now let's see how we can create ones. First, click on the Create in the left side. Describe what type of song you want here. Check out the instrument button if you want, and click on Create. There we go. It starts generating 2 songs. Let's listen them somehow. Great. Want to download them? Click on the 3 dots. Scroll down to download and select either audio or video, whatever you want. This will download it to your PC or mobile. I have made you an AI musician. If you felt this video was helpful, now it's your time to show support.